everyone. So, in Tracker Season 3, Episode 21, the series finally dives deep into the long teased Shaw family secrets, delivering one of its most emotionally loaded and lore heavy chapters yet. The episode shifts its full focus on the fractured history of the Shaw family, bringing Russell Shaw back into Coulter's orbit just as things start to make sense and fall apart all over again. From the moment Russell Shaw returns, it's clear the dynamic changes. His presence adds weight, humor, and urgency. Together with Coulter Shaw, the investigation into their father, Ashton Shaw, begins to connect long buried dots. What once felt like scattered clues suddenly starts forming a disturbing pattern, especially as names like Serena Jukic and locations tied to Echo Ridge resurface in their search. As the brothers dig deeper, they confront the truth about Mary Doe Shaw, whose choices now sit in a morally grey space. Her silence about Ashton's descent and the family's past trauma is revealed to be both protective and destructive. A tense reunion between Coulter and Mary exposes emotional wounds that were never fully healed, while Russell pushes for uncomfortable honesty that Coulter has long avoided. The mystery escalates when the investigation leads to an Alaskan government linked program known as Chronostasis, tied to experiments involving gifted children and controversial research practices. What begins as a family search turns into something much bigger and far more dangerous, pulling in secret operation, missing children, and a buried system that may have shaped Ashton Shaw's final years. Despite the high stake, Coulter refuses to walk away when a child named Danny enters the picture. That decision pushes the story into its most intense sketch yet, as Coulter and Russell attempt a risky infiltration of a hidden facility. The mission escalates quickly, security cracks under pressure, and the rescue attempt spirals into chaos when Danny unexpectedly triggers an alarm. The episode ends on a sharp cliffhanger with Coulter standing amid blaring alarms, forced to face the consequences of uncovering a truth that may be bigger and more dangerous than anything the Shaw family expected. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.